Do you have a big family?
No, my family is small.
How many brothers do you have?
I have one brother.
Do you visit your grandparents?
Yes, I visit them every month.
What do you do with your family?
We watch movies together.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Anna.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a dog.
What is your do?
Its name is Max.
Do you play games with your friends?
Yes, we play hide and seek.
How many cousins do you have?
I have 5 cousins.
Do you eat dinner with your family?
Yes, every night.
Do you exercise every day?
Yes, I exercise every morning.
What sport do you like?
I like swimming.
Do you eat healthy food?
Yes, I eat fruits and vegetables.
How often do you go jogging?
I go jogging 3 times a week.
Do you go to the doctor often?
No, I don't go to the doctor often.
Do you drink enough water?
Yes, I drink 8 glasses of water a day.
Do you sleep well at night?
Yes, I sleep for 8 hours.
Have you ever broken a bone?
No, I have never broken a bone.
Do you eat sweets?
Yes, I eat chocolate sometimes.
Do you wear glasses?
Yes, I wear glasses to read.
Do you use a smartphone?
Yes, I use a smartphone every day.
What apps do you use?
I use Instagram and WhatsApp.
Do you like playing games on your phone?
Yes, I like playing puzzle games.
Do you know how to use a computer?
Yes, I use a computer for schoolwork.
How many hours do you spend on the internet?
I spend about 2 hours a day.
Do you watch videos on YouTube?
Yes, I watch funny videos.
Do you send messages to your friends?
Yes, I send messages every day.
Can you send an email?
Yes, I can send an email.
Do you like social media?
Yes, I like social media.
What's your favorite website?
My favorite website is YouTube.
Do you like shopping for clothes?
Yes, I enjoy shopping for clothes.
What's your favorite store?
My favorite store is H&M.
Do you like wearing dresses?
Yes, I like wearing dresses.
How often do you buy new clothes?
I buy new clothes once every few months.
Do you like wearing jackets?
Yes, I wear jackets in winter.
Do you prefer casual or formal clothes?
I prefer casual clothes.
Do you wear hats?
Yes, I wear a hat in summer.
What color do you like for clothes?
I like blue and white clothes.
Do you wear jewelry?
No, I don't wear jewelry.
Do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in a house.
How many rooms are in your house?
There are 5 rooms in my house.
Do you have a garden?
Yes, I have a small garden.
Who cleans the house?
My mom and I clean the house.
Do you wash the dishes?
Yes, I wash the dishes after dinner.
Do you have a washing machine?
Yes, we have a washing machine.
Who does the shopping?
My mom does the shopping.
Do you make your own bed?
Yes, I make my bed every day.
Do you vacuum the?
Yes, I vacuum the floor once a week.
Do you go to bed early or late?
I go to bed at 9:30 p.m.
Do you like to read before bed?
Yes, I read books before sleeping.
How do you relax after a busy day?
I listen to music to relax.
Do you eat before bed?
No, I don't eat before bed.
Do you take naps during the day?
No, I don't take naps.
Do you shower every day?
Yes, I shower every day.
How long does it take you to get ready in the morning?
It takes me 30 minutes.
Do you enjoy mornings?
Yes, I enjoy the morning.
Do you speak more than one language?
Yes, I speak English and Spanish.
Do you have a lot of friends?
Yes, I have many friends.
Do you like to chat on the phone?
Yes, I like chatting with my friends.
Do you meet your friends often?
Yes, we meet every weekend.
Do you write letters?
No, I don't write letters.
Do you prefer talking face to face or on the phone?
I prefer talking face to face.
Do you like making new friends?
Yes, I enjoy meeting new people.
Do you talk to your friends on social media?
Yes, I talk to them on WhatsApp.
Do you like parties?
Yes, I like parties.
Do you celebrate your birthday?
Yes, I celebrate my birthday with a party.
What gifts do you want for your birthday?
I want books and toys.
Do you celebrate Christmas?
Yes, I celebrate Christmas with my family.
Do you give gifts at Christmas?
Yes, I give gifts to my family.
What do you do on New Year's Eve?
We have a big dinner and watch fireworks.
Do you like Halloween?
Yes, I like dressing up in costumes.
Do you celebrate Easter?
Yes, we celebrate Easter with chocolate eggs.
Do you like going to weddings?
Yes, I like weddings because they are fun.
Do you celebrate Mother's Day?
Yes, I give my mom flowers.
Do you like fireworks?
Yes, I love watching fireworks.
Do you like the beach?
Yes, I like swimming in the sea.
Do you like hiking in the mountains?
Yes, I enjoy hiking.
Do you have any favorite animals?
Yes, I love dogs and cats.
Do you visit the zoo?
Yes, I visit the zoo to see the animals.
Do you care about the environment?
Yes, I try to recycle and save water.
Do you like gardening?
Yes, I like planting flowers.
Who is your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher is Mr. Johnson.
What do you do during recess?
Play with my friends during recess.
Do you read books at school?
Yes, I read books in the library.
Do you like our class?
Yes, I enjoy drawing and painting.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Do you eat vegetables?
Yes, I eat vegetables like carrots and broccoli.
Do you like eating fast food?
Yes, I like eating burgers and fries.
Do you drink soda?
Yes, I drink soda sometimes.
What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is orange juice.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I enjoy cooking pasta and sandwiches.